guys, I hope you are doing well and keeping safe. Today, I have come to you with a very strong message which I believe a lot into personally, to be honest. I mean, this one particular thing, if you are able to bring into your everyday life, I'm telling you, you would be able to get so much more happiness and so much more love into as well as out of your lives. I mean, you would be able to give more love and you would be able to receive more love and happiness from people around you. And hence, I've decided to name this as Abundant Mindset tool number 13. Any guesses? It is appreciate more often and from your heart. Guys, when you appreciate somebody, I mean, for the work that the person is doing, or for something that the person has done for you, or for somebody else in general, you would feel so good about it. You would feel like so blessed, and you would feel such a pure happiness inside your heart that you were able to bring a smile on somebody else's face. I mean, imagine that somebody has not expected it, and you suddenly go to the person and say, you did this thing so beautifully. Imagine the happiness the other person would feel. I mean, your mother has cooked a dish for you. You appreciate that dish and just say that, wow, mom, nobody else can cook it tastier than you. Look at the smile at her face. I mean, all the tiredness and every effort that she would have put into preparing it for you would just vanish away in a minute. And really, more than your mother, you would feel happy about appreciating her for what she did. But remember, guys, do it from your heart. It shouldn't be fake. I mean, people are not so foolish as to not be able to differentiate fake appreciation from real or genuine appreciation. So appreciate from your heart. And I am telling you, when you appreciate somebody, it's more of for your own good than for the good of the other person. Honestly, I can give you so many benefits as to what you can obtain if you are appreciating the other person. You would come across as a warm, as a empathetic, as a more inspiring person to the other person whom you are appreciating. Because when you speak words of kindness and when you speak positive words, it brings about a positivity inside the other person as well as inside you. So your mind grows and your mind evolves and you feel good about it. I mean, you feel happy about it. So since I'm speaking about an abundant mindset, it is all about that you see positivity around you and you see greatness all around you. So when you are able to appreciate the other person, you are able to see only good in people, or you are only able to see good in things that are happening around you, and your focus gets it doesn't go to the negative people or the negative things, because you're more towards the positive side and you're looking out for things you can appreciate rather than looking out for things you can identify faults into. So you become a more positive person. Secondly, what happens is that you evolve, you grow, you come across as a better person to the people around you whom you are appreciating. What happens next is that it improves your relationships and the trust level, because when you are a positive person and when you're appreciating more now, what the other person would feel is that you are trustworthy. It just comes naturally to the human brain. Let's say I am appreciating the people who are working along with me in my business, and I'm like congratulating them, and I'm constantly in every few days I'm saying to my team, wow, such a great work you're doing, you are going to make it so big in life. Versus I'm not saying anything at all. I mean, I am always looking out for faults in people. I'm not appreciating them for even a little bit of good that they would have done, which may not have made me significantly wealthier or made a direct impact in my life, but it was a very important achievement for that person, and hence I appreciated the person for that. Imagine what kind of a person you would want to become. You would want to become a fault finding person, or you would want to celebrate other people's small achievements and appreciate them for the kind of work they are doing. I would want to become this kind of a person, and honestly, I just love finding out good in people and appreciating them for small things and for big things, of course. A few days back, I was, scrolling through my Facebook feed, and I saw that a friend of mine, along with her husband, is doing really great work. I mean, I don't know why I never stumbled upon it earlier, because she's been doing it for quite long now. So I just kind of, saw one video, and I couldn't stop myself from seeing more of her videos because they were like really so nice. And the first thing that, I just wanted to do after seeing the videos is to send a text to her, appreciating her for the work that she's doing and for the relationship that she's building along with her husband. And you wouldn't imagine, she felt so happy about it that she, put a post in her status saying that she felt good about me saying this to her. And imagine, I felt so great that, I could bring a smile on her face and that I could make her happy. So that is the kind of effect just a simple text maybe, or a simple one-liner from you appreciating the other person can have. I mean, the other person can really feel so good about it. And now what will happen is that the friend whom I appreciated for her work, now she would be, genuinely more interested into me. Now she would really want to know me more. She would want to engage more in me. So that's another benefit that you can have if you're like constantly appreciating people for what they are doing or what they are up to. So this was my message for today, guys. Start finding out good in other people and start appreciating more often. Now I'm telling you, you would be able to do great in your lives. With this, I'll close the video for today, and I'll come back very soon with more powerful messages like these. Have a great day, guys. Stay safe. Thank you.